Hey, I'm Matt with Meat Church. Let's make smoked brisket queso. Smoked queso, probably the #1 thing we make at every tailgate. It is actually the #1 tailgating recipe on meatchurch.com. We did this video 5 years ago. We have so many new followers since then. We thought we would do it again, and we've made some slight tweaks to it. So this recipe is super simple. It's mostly store-bought ingredients, but like I said, we take it to every tailgate. I see it on social media nonstop. It's a huge hit, so it's easy, it's cheap, it goes with everything that you make. People absolutely love it. So let's jump into it. And by the way, this comes from my buddy, Doug Scheiding, wrote this recipe originally. I gave him credit on the original recipe and video, and we're doing it again today. So I'll put his information below so you guys can give Doug, a world champion, a follow. All we're gonna do is mix in quite a few ingredients and then smoke it until it's all combined. So 1 block of Velveeta is the base. Yes, it's Velveeta, but it just works. We've got some smoked Gouda. I went ahead and shredded it up. That way it would just melt down a little bit quicker. This year, we're gonna make a little bit of a change. The original recipe calls for 2 pounds of meat. We use hot sausage. I've said on the website forever that we like venison, we like brisket, we like chorizo, so we're going in, we're making this meaty. This is 2 pounds of cooked brisket. So this is, anytime you've got brisket left over, not much of a thing here, you could chop it up, set it aside for things like this. Now, all that Velveeta, you need to loosen it up. So cream of jalapeno. Doug's original recipe was cream of mushroom. It actually works really well and you don't taste the mushrooms. The important thing is cream of whatever. If you're not lucky enough to have an HEB like we do here in Texas, where you can get cream of jalapeno or cream of poblano, you can use, like I said, cream of mushroom, you can use cream of chicken, cream of whatever you want. You can even use sour cream. 2 cans of Rotel. I love using the fire roasted version. That'll help you obtain more of a southwestern smoky kind of flavor. All the juice included. And we're gonna season it with some Meat Church Voodoo. Use your favorite seasoning. We're gonna mix it all up. All right, so we're gonna get this nice and combined, and this is gonna be a full batch. It's gonna be super meaty. But if you ever go get queso at a Tex-Mex restaurant in Texas, I almost always try to get their version that has meat in it, so I think it works nicely. It'll be really hearty as well, so you're gonna need some good chips with this. Let's talk about cooking while I get this all mixed up. All you gotta do is melt this cheese. So the quickest way to get there is about 350 degrees, take 45 minutes to an hour, stir it a couple times along the way to make sure this Velveeta is nice and melted. But if you want, you can drop the temperature down as low as like say 225 and smoke it, stir it frequently. You're getting smoke on the top of the queso, so the more often you stir it, you will expose the kind of top of that queso to the smoke. All right, today we are using a Traeger Timberline with Meat Church pellets. Our pellets are now full-time in the line. They are comprised of oak and hickory, but with a quick cook, you can use just about anything you want. All right, looks good, nice and mixed up. Let's get it over in the Traeger. Definitely want to stir it a few times along the way. Those big Velveeta chunks, you got to do this in order to make sure they'll melt. All right, it's been about an hour. Let's get the queso out. It looks amazing. You can see it's super hot, still pretty bubbly. I like to put a little fresh chopped cilantro in near the end. If you got an aversion to cilantro, sorry about your bad luck. Just mix that in. This is thick. All right, that looks good. So I'm gonna garnish a little more right here in the middle. And I always like to put our pico on top. This recipe is also on meatchurch.com. Great snack by itself, looks really good on the top. Gotta have proper chips. We love Julio's. I'm not even gonna wait on it to cool down. Still steaming. Well, this is loaded with brisket, so gotta get a full bite right there. That is so good. So we only cooked this for 1 hour at 350. Obviously not a ton of smoke, but with the already cooked smoked brisket that's in there, plus the fire roasted rotel. This thing tastes like very Southwestern, very smoky, not overly smoky, just has like just a super good flavor. This is a must. Like I said at the beginning, any tailgate you're gonna have, any football watching at home, you gotta have this because it will get absolutely inhaled. This is right up there with smoked cream cheese as the things you gotta have at every single tailgate. If you like what we're doing, please like and subscribe. We have dozens of tailgate videos. We'll have a card at the very end for a link. You can click on that and you can check out all things tailgating. See you guys next week.